Hello there, it's Chris Marlin again with an overview of the new 3.0 grandMA software release. This update includes extensive new programming and interface functions, some network diagnostic tools, and brand new CITP video streaming compatibility. In addition to thumbnail exchange between the grandMA2 console, VPU, and other media servers, the software now supports streaming of videos over the MA network. In the CITP network menu, we must add and enable the media server. In the same menu, we can change the compression and format for video streams and thumbnails. The video stream from a VPU or other media server can now be viewed in the console itself as a separate view. Keep in mind, streaming videos in a network takes quite a lot of bandwidth and should only be used in gigabit networks. CITP settings and information can be viewed in the VPU. In MA3D, objects can now also display the CITP video stream as a texture. This can be an ideal tool for pre-programming. The new search and replace function now allows us to find fixtures, presets, or values and replace or modify them as we wish.
After searching, your results will display in a text window that does not affect the programmer. Results can be selected or isolated into worlds. They can then be used for further searches or even saved to a text file.
Under the pre-made macros are some useful operations already prepared, such as search for a fixture in the show or in a sequence, search and replace a preset with another preset, replace one fixture with another, or replace one value with another in the show or in a specific sequence. This function offers endless possibilities, as almost all objects and values can be worked with. Also new in 3.0 is a message center, inside of which all system messages and warnings are displayed. In the command line, there are now symbols representing important messages, warnings, and critical alarms. Click on the symbols and the message center display will open. Here, we can choose which functions and symbols should be shown, and even enable a small pop-up window to appear. Clicking on the symbol row will open the log for that type of message. A log of all important messages will also be saved in the show file. In the new Message Center view, all messages will be shown by default. Using the filter, we can quickly choose the messages we want to see. Some messages, such as IP conflicts and power failures, cannot be deactivated. Also, the list itself cannot be deleted. Now let's take a look at the new network troubleshooting tools. The new command, Network Speed Test, or NST, will test the network performance of all connected MA components. This test should never be run during a show situation or in a company network, as communication in the network will be interrupted during the test. A pop-up shows all stations found on the network with their IP addresses and the test results. Also, the network info, or NI command, has been further developed for this release. Now the information is dynamically displayed and shows all MA components with their memory capacity. Also included in 3.0 are two brand new pools.
The new timer pool provides some stopwatch or countdown functionality. The timers can also be displayed in the clock view. Timers can be controlled with commands, so they can be triggered with macros or in queue links. At the end of a stopwatch or countdown, pop-up windows can be triggered, also with an audible component. The dynamic preset pool is found under the preset menu. This pool will change content based on the last selected preset type.
The graphic user interface is now even more customizable thanks to new sheet styles and appearance commands. All pools now have the option Sheet Style to be displayed as a list. The font size can be changed and info text will now be shown. The lists are also sortable by clicking on the headers. The border of every pool object is now individually customizable by using the new appearance command, which can be called by pressing assign 3 times. You can also use the appearance command to change the color of individual cues in a sequence. And lastly, some new commands. DMX universes can now be completely moved in the patch by using the command move DMX universe x at y. You can now use more wildcards when entering commands. For example, delete preset ** will now delete all presets from all preset pools. There are some new command variables. To view them, just type in list_var to get an overview. Through these new variables are functions such as the new predefined macro off_page-current now a possibility. Executor faders can now respond to exec time. Until now, only the buttons have been affected. You can retain this functionality by enabling the option ignore exec time. So, that's a summary of the newest features in the 3.0 software. You can find out more, as always, at malighting.com.